Hi, I'm Mike Wilson with AmericanMuscle.com. This is the Airaid Cold Air Intake kit for the 2005 to 2009 Mustang V6. We're going to show you what kind of horsepower and torque numbers to expect when you combine that with a Bama Performance 93 octane race tune. But first, we're going to make a stock dyno run so we have some baseline horsepower and torque numbers to work from. Stock, our 2005 V6 automatic put down 172 horsepower and 196 foot-pounds of torque. The Airaid Cold Air Intake kit replaced your factory restrictive air box with a one-piece plastic intake tube that incorporates the mass air housing. It also connects to a high-flow air box with a reusable air filter, which will increase horsepower, torque, acceleration, and give you a throaty engine sound. Now we're going to install this cold air intake, which should take less than an hour and can be done with simple hand tools you have at home. Along with the cold air intake, we also install one of our 93 octane Bama race tunes. A custom tune from Bama Performance adjusts engine parameters to maximize your performance through optimized air-fuel ratio, spark advance, enhanced throttle response, and for automatics, increased shift firmness and adjustable shift points. Now let's make another dyno run and see what kind of horsepower and torque numbers we get. With the Airaid Cold Air Intake and a Bama Performance tune, our car put down 193 horsepower and 222 foot-pounds of torque, while gaining as much as 26 horsepower and 36 foot-pounds of torque throughout the curve. In under an hour's time using simple hand tools, we installed the Airaid Cold Air Intake and a Bama Performance tune and gained as much as 26 horsepower and 36 foot-pounds of torque.